Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Twitter profile update failed. So in order to fix your issue, first of all launch settings on your mobile device, then go to general. Now over here go to iPhone storage option. Now at the bottom scroll down below and find for Twitter app. Once you see it, tap on it and then tap on Offload app. Now tap on Offload app at the bottom again. So by doing this step, you'll be able to clear cache from the application. Then again, tap on Reinstall app and wait for Twitter to be reinstalled again on your mobile device. Then after, you can open the application and you can see your problem will be fixed. Also make sure that Twitter application is running on its latest version on your device. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.